As y'all can see, got condensation all in the inside of the lights on both sides. And my low beam stopped working over here. So that's the only reason that I decided to go ahead and switch out the headlights now. Passenger side. Got the instructions out. So following the instructions, thus far I took this cap out and unscrewed the 3 screws holding this in. Also got these in. Wasn't sure whether it was just the HID bulb itself or the ballast, so I just went ahead and replaced the whole thing. And I got an extra one too. So following these instructions. All right. Follow the diagram and got the ballast hooked up. Now I'm about to run this right back to this hole here and attach the ballast to the bottom right here. Hold on, turn it around. Like so, like that. Okay. As y'all can see, old headlight. And I'm gonna take the screws out of here and stick them on now. One side on already. All right, I think it's the driver's side headlight. Okay, driver's side, that was the one that was going in and out. And as far as the low beams, and every once in a while, my daytime running lights and my park lights will go in and out, but that's because of the condensation in there. But the LED low bulb, and this always worked. But again, like I said, I just went ahead and replaced everything. I already got the driver's side headlight on the car, and just put the LED in this one. The big difference between the aftermarket and the original is these snap into place. This little ring right here is around it, and it just snaps into place like normal. And with the aftermarket, you actually bolt these in. Well, not bolt them in, screw them in, my bad. But Everything's all together. Now we about to stick this joint back on. This shit ridiculous, man. Part of it done came off too. But yeah, man, they was starting to short out. I really didn't want to buy the aftermarket headlights right now. I was gonna wait till later. But since these guys was fucking up and shorting out, yeah, man. So that's complete. So as always, man, like, comment, share, subscribe. And man, we're gonna see y'all on the next one, man. We're gonna holler at y'all. Alright?